So in the past, you've seen me do the re-drill on the leaf spring. So when I do that, the leaf spring bolting point won't be here anymore. It'll be up here, causing it to be a little bit lower. I made a video on that, so if you want to see how I did it step by step, then you can watch that video. But this one I'll just show you of me drilling it. So yeah. Oh shit.
I heard oh shit. You alright?
I'm alright. The drill bit did not survive.
Que paso, Kenny? Que paso?
Well, that's one hole drilled.
Oh, fuck.
I managed to break this.
Oh shit.
And now, that's my error though. I had it at an angle.
Oh shit.
You put a little too much force.
Wow.
Fuck, Kenny. Is
Yeah,
that the last drill bit you have for that size?
that's the only drill that I have.
Right.
I gotta go buy one.
Got a carbon drill bit.
How much was that one?
I think it was like
$25?
just about.
Yeah. Home Depot?
1 week later.
Oh, damn it. Oh boy. Almost screwed myself over there, but managed to save it. Yep. You repeat the same thing on the other side.
Wow. The jack was just perfectly high enough.
Yep. I'm just gonna come back with a rattle can, just that. Yeah. But yes, the rear end is finally on the hard body. And I'm already liking the way it's looking already, even without the bed or anything on it. And can I do this? Yeah, I can. That welded diff life really feels good. So I guess I'll end this part of the video of after painting and installing the rear end. Finally happy that I'm seeing more and more progress on this. This isn't an exact tutorial, but I appreciate everyone that's watching. So if you like the video, you can comment, rate, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you're up to date on videos. You can follow me on my other social media accounts, and I do have a Twitch and Etsy, so feel free to check any of those out. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Well, I got what I wanted. Okay. To the other side.
Yo, check the other jack stands.